BJP has called this a sham because, according to them, it is like Mamta Banerjee protesting against Mamta Banerjee. For more details, it's over to you, Ankit.
So this is all about why Mamta Banerjee is out on the streets protesting. There must be a lot of people wondering that. So the BJP's Amit Malviya has put things into perspective for us, Priya. He says West Bengal is witnessing a sham. Home Minister Mamta Banerjee is leading a protest march against Health Minister Mamta Banerjee to pressurize Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee to find out the culprits responsible for rape and murder in the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital and to punish them. So this points out the three posts that she holds, all of which are important in the context of this case. Now, of course, the CBI has taken on the probe and Mamta Banerjee is the one who is out in the streets. The BJP says this is what is really going on. It's an irony.
All right, Sabyasachi, if you could just loosely tell us what were the contours of Mamta Banerjee's speech that we heard right now.
See, there was a lot of background noise which is going around, could not hear properly what the CM was saying. But towards the end, she was saying that Shasti Chai, which means punishment is required. Now, this particular slogan has been coming in from the Trinamool Congress that they want the harshest punishment for the main accused. They want capital punishment. And that is the reason why Mamta Banerjee has decided to hit the street with the other leaders of the Trinamool Congress. And we had seen that when she was walking, there were all the female leaders of the Trinamool Congress were present along with her to send out a message to the society as well as to the protesting doctors that the Trinamool Congress is with them. The Trinamool Congress is here to support every single demand of them. Now, this particular protest has been questioned by the BJP. The BJP says that what is the point of Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee protesting when she has completely failed to take any sort of action against the culprits. See, some of the protesting doctors out here have put out the demand that when the former principal of RG Kar Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, he resigned from his post because of the pressure that was created by the protesting doctors, and immediately after 5 hours, he is being reinstated at the Calcutta Medical College. So that is one point which the doctors also have been raising against
also,
the
another
administration.
question that perhaps the TMC government and Mamta Banerjee needs to answer is that when there are people in her own party who are raising questions like Shantanu Sen, why are they being removed from the post of spokespersons? But we'll keep track of developments coming from there. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for joining us.